Good morning or good day or good afternoon, whatever time it is when you're watching this video. I'm happy to have you here. This is Teacher Josh, and we're taking a look at Great Writing 3. And we're going to get started off today by taking a look at paragraphs. Paragraphs. The learning objectives in Unit 1 is Number 1, learn the parts of a paragraph. Number 2, identify and correct fragments. Number 3, use count and non-count nouns correctly. Number 4, write a paragraph. All right. Pretty cool picture we have here. It says National Geographic Explorer Albert Yu Min Lin stands in Upper Antelope Canyon in Arizona, USA. Millions of years of water erosion carved this narrow space out of Navajo sandstone. Man, that is really beautiful. All right, well, we're going to get started off with a free write this morning. It says, look at the photo and read the caption. National Geographic explorer Albert Lin has traveled from the remote highlands of Mongolia to the jungles of Guatemala, always seeking to learn more. On a separate piece of paper, write what it means to explore. Okay, so pause the video and just write about the idea of explore. What does it mean? All right. Let's continue now. Go down to one page. Elements of great writing, paragraphs and topic sentences. A paragraph is a group of sentences about a central idea. A paragraph has a clear purpose, such as to list, to show causes or effects of something, or to argue a point. Every part of a paragraph has a specific function, and every part is important. The three main parts of a paragraph are 1, the topic sentence, 2, the supporting sentences, 3, the concluding sentences. The topic sentence tells the reader the main idea or thought that the writer is trying to express. It is a one-sentence summary of the entire paragraph. Other sentences in the paragraph help to develop the idea presented in the topic sentence. The organization of a paragraph is based on the topic sentence. The two main elements of a topic sentence are the topic or main subject of the paragraph and the controlling idea. The controlling idea guides the main subject in the direction that the writer wants to take it. Study the following examples of topic sentences. Okay, here's example number 1. Supercomputers are used to perform very complex tasks. So your topic in that situation would be supercomputers, and perform very complex tasks is the controlling idea. From this sentence, we know that the paragraph is going to discuss supercomputers. Specifically, it will discuss some complicated tasks of supercomputers. Computers have changed enormously in the past 10 years. In the second example, the topic is computers, and the second part, the controlling idea, changed enormously in the past 10 years. This topic sentence tells us that the paragraph is going to explain how computers have changed. Look at the next example. Different computers can appeal to different people. Of course, the topic is computers, but the controlling idea here is different. Appeal to different people. From this topic sentence, we know that the paragraph is going to explain the characteristics of different computers that appeal to different kinds of people. Okay, take a look at this last one. Computers were invented in the 20th century. The information in this topic, in this sentence, is a simple fact. This is not a good topic sentence because it does not indicate that there is anything more to say about the topic. It does not have a controlling idea that a writer can discuss in a paragraph. Okay, so we're starting to understand what a good topic sentence looks like. You've got to have the topic, and you've got to have a controlling idea that's pushing the paper in a certain direction. Look at this picture. Researcher Song Zhongwei and a colleague studied dinosaur fossils on display at Chongqing Museum of National History in Chongping, Southwest China. Man, that is a big animal. Let's take a look at activity 1, selecting a good topic sentence. For each pair of sentences, check the better topic sentence. Be prepared to explain your choice. Okay, that's very straightforward. Go ahead, go in and read both sentences and check the one that you think makes the best topic sentence. Pause the video. When we come back, we'll take a look at it together. All right, welcome back. Let's take a look at the answers here. All right, number 1. A person who is interviewing for a job should arrive on time to the interview. B, a person who is interviewing for a job should do 3 important things during the interview. So it's going to be B because it's a clear topic and it even sets you up to make 3 points. A is too general, and it's just stating a fact. There's not that much to write about. B is the correct answer. Okay, number 2, A. Smartphones have many useful features for communication. B. Smartphones are often used to send text messages. In this case, A would be the better topic sentence. You've got the topic and then useful features. You've got plenty to talk about because you can talk about its features, useful features for communication. So let's take a look at that. A is correct. B is too general, and it's just a fact. It's not really, there's nothing to write about. 3, A. Fossils are the remains of plants and animals that died a long time ago. B. There are numerous techniques that scientists use to discover the age of fossils. Now, B for sure, right? And here's why. A, again, it's just stating a fact, whereas B it actually mentions there's numerous techniques to discover the age of a fossil. Now that's interesting. That would take some time. You've got a nice paragraph there that could be written. Pretty cool. Number 4, there are many theories about who killed John F. Kennedy. B, John F. Kennedy was assassinated on November 22nd, 1963. So B is just a statement. It's a fact. There's really nothing to write about specifically in regards to B. It has to be A. And we could discuss the different theories of how he was killed. 5, A, online dictionaries can help students in 2 important ways. B, online dictionaries are available in numerous languages. Again, B is just a statement. It's just a fact. Whereas A, now we've got something to write about. 2 important ways that online dictionaries are helpful. A would be the correct answer. Okay, so we're beginning to get an idea for what a good topic sentence needs to include. The topic and some type of categories, opinion. You've got to have something big enough, but not too big, to where you can it directs your paper, your essay, your paragraph. Okay. All right. When we come back, we'll jump into activity 2. All right, we'll see you again soon. Thanks for joining.